art lovers, welcome to Oodle Doodle Coloring. Firstly, I want to give a huge shout out to all our subscribers and especially who tried recreating our previous drawings. It is such a great encouragement to keep it going. Well, today I have an exciting drawing of a vintage Jaguar, easy step by step with the default brushes and warm red tones. So let's just dive in. First, on a new layer, turn on the drawing guide to symmetry. Using the monoline brush, draw the outline with few basic shapes. Make sure your outlines have closed endings so when you drop color, they don't seep out to the entire layer. Take a closer look to understand the proportion and perspective of the drawing. And let the autocorrect guide you through making smooth curves and circles. Quick tip here, make points to guide your lines. Once your sketch is ready, turn off the drawing guide. This sketch will be used to create duplicates. That way, you can color and shade different sections of the Jaguar separately. That will make our life very easy when you use the alpha lock for shading. On the first duplicate layer, I drop in dark red to cover the Jaguar. All the warmer hues will be developed gradually throughout. Change the background color to black and start working on the Jaguar with a lighter shade of red. These are the half tones. On the second duplicate layer, I drop in grey and alpha lock it. Now, shade using light greys. Even if you forget to drop any color in any section, you can turn the alpha lock off, drop the color in, and turn back the alpha lock on when you want to. Now, I work between these two layers to develop all the core shadows and the midtones. On a new layer, draw the detail lines of the headlights and the grille. You can alpha lock this layer alone to throw in some shadows and highlights. Once that is done, I add highlights and reflected highlights throughout the picture. You can enhance the details as you see fit and make it your style. Surely do not forget to share your recreation with us, and if you have not already, do subscribe and share our channel. Thank you for staying with us. See you soon. Bye bye.